Namaste. So today we will practice meditation for relaxation. If you had a busy day or just need a break, you are in the right place. Let's get started. As usual, let us take few moments to get ready. Get comfortable in your surroundings and ensure that you will not get physically distracted or disturbed. Invest the next few moments to just be with yourself. Get into comfortable posture of your choice. As per your comfort level, you may either sit on a mat or on a chair or on a couch. But remember to keep your body upright and erect. Keep your spine straight, shoulders roll back and relax. Chin parallel to the ground. And if you cannot sit on a mat, you can simply lie down in any comfortable position. Feel free to change your position during the practice if you are experiencing any discomfort. The key is to feel light, comfortable, and relaxed. Keep your eyes open at this stage with a soft focus at any point in front of you. Keep gazing at that point until you feel you are ready to close your eyes whenever it feels naturally comfortable to do so. As you close your eyes, direct your attention to your breath. Just observe the pace of your breath at this stage. Take note of the rhythm of your breath. Experience a sense of calm as you just stay with your breath. Let's begin our practice with few deep breaths. Let's take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. With each complete breath, you can feel yourself releasing the burden of the day, the stress, anxiety, and worry you have gone through. Again, let's take a deep breath in, filling the air into the stomach, your chest, and the throat. And breathe out completely. Again, take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Feel the energy spiraling down from your head down to the rest of your body, easing, calming, and relaxing you. Feel your forehead relaxing, Feel the eyelids and even the eyeballs are relaxing. Feel the cheekbones relaxing, the jaws relaxing. The tongue is also relaxed and doesn't touch the roof of your mouth. Relaxing the head and the shoulders. And as your shoulders sag down with each breath you take out, you should feel the sense of lightness flowing through your body. Take deeper and deeper breaths, breathing in, breathing out. Feel the lungs expanding with calm energy with every breath. Breathe the air not only with the upper chest, but with the whole of your lungs. Feel the abdomen rising as you inhale in good vibrations and exhale out all the bad vibrations from the abdomen, from the body. Again, inhale all the good vibrations and exhale all the bad ones out. Feel yourself going so deep into that place where your mind stops thinking and you just have sense of calmness and relaxation settling in. Pay attention to the sensation in your body. Stay with this gentle, easy breath. Notice the breath in whatever way it chooses to speak to you. Let the thoughts come and go. Do not focus on the thoughts. Just try to divert your concentration towards your breath. Let your thoughts go out. Bring back the focus to the breathing. Take note of the sound of your breath. The breath moving in and out through the nose. You can hear the sound of your breathing. Take a pause to look inside yourself. Take few deep breaths at this stage. Inhale Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. You are inhaling all the positivity, the energy inside. You are exhaling all the stress, anxiety, and worry out from the body. You are inhaling all the calmness inside and releasing all the burden of the day from the mind and the body. Just try to stay with the feeling you are experiencing right now. You are breathing very slowly. You are taking deeper breaths, and your breathing is in rhythm. You will feel very light from the body. You will feel energetic, relaxed, peaceful, and happy inside. Stay with this feeling you are experiencing right now. As beautiful she says, always rise above the problem, as the elevation will help to resolve it with ease. Take a few more moments to just stay with yourself, with your breath. And as per your time, whenever you feel like opening your eyes, do so at your own pace. You are doing great so far, so please don't give up and keep going and trust the process. We will see you soon in next session, so stay tuned and hope to see you again. Namaste.